Welcome to Outdoorsumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you Hikole Skateboard 31 inches by 8 inches complete pro skateboard. Double kick 7-layer Canadian maplewood, adult trick skateboard for beginner, birthday gift for kids boys girls 5 up years old. About this item. Stunts, 31 by 8 inches full-size double kick concave design. Ideal for beginner doing some basic stunts such 360s, OL action and a few other basic tricks. Durable, high-density 7-layer Canadian maplewood classical trick skateboard. Max supporting weight 220 pounds, 100 kg. Suitable for adult kids age 5 years up. Complete, no assembly required, complete profession skateboard, very convenient. Smooth, super smooth 50mm 85A POO wheels with a BEC7 precision bearings and POO bushings. Thanks for visit this channel.